Kardom, and welcome to Lejangpo Studio. Today, let's talk about the Karbi Youth Festival, one of the biggest and oldest ethnic festival in northeast India.
The Karbi Youth Festival began in the year 1974. A few Karbi youths got together to organize for the first time Difu Cultural Festival. Within a few years later, it became a major event in Karbi Anglong, and later it became one of the biggest ethnic festival in northeast India. Soon, Karbi Youth Festival, KYF, became much more than annual cultural festival. It became a forum for the Karbi people to rediscover the Karbi art and culture from a new perspective. 3 years after the first festival was organized, the Karbi Cultural Society took its birth on January 30th, 1977. Since then, the responsibility of organizing festival was officially handed over to a body that represents the entire Karbi people. Karbi Youth Festival is a celebration of Karbi heritage and culture held at the beautiful and permanent venue, KPH Taralangso, near Difu Head, Quatar of the Karbi Anglong district. An area measuring over 360 acres was selected for the permanent festival site, and 3 amphitheaters constructed named Sing Miryang Long Mirjang and Semsen Singh Angti Achatai. A model Karbi village was also set up in the area. The week-long festival there not only attracts a cross-section of people from all over the Karbi hills, but also from all over India and even outside. Since its inception in 1974, the festival's mission has been to promote and share the culture and heritage of all people of Karbi descent with the global community. Karbi Youth Festival is not only an entertaining event, but an educational experience. Come and explore the cultural village, sample a variety of ethnic foods, shop around the marketplace, let the kids play in the children's village, and enjoy lots of great entertainment. Our festival honors culture, tradition, and family. Karbi Youth Festival encourages individuals from all ethnic backgrounds to share in the beauty of Karbi's rich history, art, music, and foods. Each day of KYF is a unique and unforgettable experience. Come and enjoy. Competition, treasure hunt, and many more. As the historic KYF turns 50 this January, we celebrate this veteran Karbi trailblazer who continues to invigorate the spirit of the Karbi identity. Come and join us. We make the 50 years KYF journey with historical moment. Thanks for watching, and for more updates, please subscribe to my YouTube channel